All right, so this morning I'm out watering, and I also let the two girl kitties out to help, and I spotted the little bunny along the north fence line, and I said, and they couldn't see it, so I picked up the black and white one, the older one, and I said, hey, check out this bunny here. The brown one couldn't find it. So watch this. Here it comes. They spot it. Doon, 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 doon. There they go. That's Candy. And then you'll come around the pond again, and Carlo will also be running after it. There she goes. All right. I think they go around one more time. Yep, here she comes. Get that bunny. All right, have a good one. And the bunny escaped. All right, later.